All right, so here you got our Golen Engine 4.6 Jeep stroker engine. This engine is built for the 2000 through 2006 Wrangler TJs, and then also the 2000 and 2001 Cherokee XJs. This engine makes a ton of torque. So if you've got larger tires, 33, 35-inch tires, and your Jeep is just gutless now with the stock 4-liter, this is what we built this engine for, is that it'll get you so the uphills, allow you to pass traffic. It's just been real popular. You know, we sell about 150 of these a year. We get a lot of feedback from customers. They seem to love it. So the other thing with this engine is it comes dyno tested. So we run these engines for 4 hours. We change oil twice. We cut and inspect the filters. We're retorquing all the fasteners, making sure there's no noises. It's got good oil pressure. We'll do full sweep tests on our dyno to make sure that it's performing properly, it's making the right horsepower and torque. In this case, this engine makes about 320 foot-pounds of torque, about 270 horsepower. And then from there, we'll actually, when it comes off the dyno, you know that it's, there's no problems with it. You can have some confidence on the install. So when you go to install this, you're not going to worry about, having any issues right out of the gate. As far as the engine and the way it comes oil pan up to the valve cover, has a new timing cover, new harmonic balancer, and this particular model, these Jeeps, these later Jeeps have an issue with this cylinder head cracking. So this model, we actually use a brand new aftermarket cylinder head that alleviates that issue with cracking, gives you some confidence that this engine's going to last a long time. The engine also comes with all the gaskets to finish the job, also comes with a brand new set of fuel injectors. So these injectors are plug and play. So you'll take your stock injectors out, install these. This engine will run on the stock computer, so there's no tuning needed either, which can be huge. So as far as the direct fit part of it, you're going to take your stock engine out, set it side by side with this engine. You'll swap all your brackets and pulleys over. Everything's the same. So the idea is we're using the correct block and head combination to match your your stock engine, so all of your components will fit. Be a nice, easy install. And from there, we have no core charge on this engine, so you're buying it outright. There's no sales tax. It comes with full tech support to help you with the install. Comes with a 1-year warranty. We're typically running about 2 months out on these engines, so you'll have roughly a 2-month lead time. We take a 50% deposit to get the order started, and that's that. So I mean, if you've got any questions, feel free to give us a call, shoot us an email. Yeah, we'd be happy to help you with it.